Well, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the weekend. Just got done doing a little volunteer work with the youth, giving back to the community. Remember, you only get to keep what you give away. But let's get right to it. Market was up today, so we're not buying anything. We should be looking to sell. And look at that, we did. We did sell her. 54.72. $54.72. I always do that. In the wrong cell. I'll put today's date. Hopefully when you see me do this every day that you understand you obviously don't have to be smart. Alright. Boom. 54 cents brings us to a sum of 114. We have one more day in the month, Monday. But we're up to 287. We need to get to 20 bucks. That's what we're going at. Full speed ahead. Obviously a lot of our money, over half our account, is in this position. 128. How's that looking? We can take this guy off. That's old news. If you want to see our victory lap, it looks just like a smile. And that's the shape I love. The dividend, by the way, I believe we'll get it still. But, because usually you have to own it the day before the X date. This is the X date. So we should still get an additional 30 cents. But if we don't, no hard feelings. We made 54 cents on it. So we covered the spread good on that one. Yeah, 128. So we still got a ways to go on this. But you can see it looks just like a smile. It looks just like the other one. Everything is going well. Market's turned around. As far as the cash positions go, not only do we have the $64, but we averaged down VFC this week. And there'll be another $10 go in on Tuesday. So then we'll be up to $70. Now we're starting to get to where we can buy higher quality companies. 3M was kind of the highest quality of the three, if you ask me, but we've been buying Smith & Wesson and ACCO and all those other ones, and we're basically just trading the technical chart patterns. Of course, they do have good financials underneath, right? That's what the screener ensures of us, but not that great of a company. But you have to be able to work with what you got. We had 200 bucks, right? So the end of the month is Monday, so maybe I'll do a little 1 month comparison video. How are we doing? But beyond that, there's not a whole lot to talk about. There's not going to be anything on the scanner for a while because the stuff went straight up. There's not a lot of stuff that's got RSI down here. We've been lucky with this one, but you see even today, 28, 27. What's our exit on this sucker? Should be close to that too. Yeah. So we'll see. I mean, if the market continues to go up, we'd like to sell out of all of this, and we would be making an extra. We'd double our profits. It'd be an extra 218 roughly, and you can start to see this number grow every month. You're starting to see it, right? I don't think this was a full month, but as the account gets bigger, we'll be able to take more positions and move more money in more transactions, and then that's where you'll see the exponential growth. But for right now, enjoy the sell. We are winners, and we're going to keep going after it. One thing we'll be looking at for Monday, and I'll just point it out real quick here, is the monthly. But you can see there's really not a chart pattern. The chart pattern was it made the new low, and then it reversed. So it could go all the way up, potentially to the red line, and that wouldn't even be that abnormal, right? And then the next month, hard telling what can happen, right? But really, it's anybody's game Monday. Monday's usually a lot of volatility, and it usually sets the table for Tuesday, which is turnaround Tuesday, usually some kind of a consolidation or a small reversal where people take profits going to the upside or the downside. But I'm just rambling at this point. Have a happy Halloween. Be careful out there. And we'll see you next week.